Succulents are charming and easy to grow. These resilient plants have adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. These fascinating plants add a touch of the desert to your home. Their unique ability to store water in their leaves, stems and roots allows them to thrive in dry conditions, making them an excellent choice for water-wise gardening. Succulents come in many shapes, sizes and colors. From the rosette-shaped echeveria to the spiky aloe vera, there's a succulent to suit every taste and style. Their diverse forms and vibrant hues can add visual interest to any space. They are known for their fleshy leaves that store water. This unique feature not only helps them survive in arid conditions, but also gives them a distinctive lush appearance that is both exotic and beautiful. This makes them low maintenance and perfect for busy people. With minimal watering and care, succulents can flourish, making them an ideal choice for those with a hectic lifestyle or limited gardening experience. Succulent gardens are a joy to create and watch grow. Whether you prefer a small indoor arrangement or a sprawling outdoor display, these plants offer endless possibilities for creativity and design. They thrive, both indoors and outdoors. Their adaptability means you can enjoy their beauty in a variety of settings, from a cozy windowsill to a sunny patio. Whether you have a sunny windowsill or a spacious balcony, there is a succulent garden for you. These versatile plants can be grown in pots, planters, or directly in the ground, making them suitable for any living space. Let's explore the world of succulents and create your own little oasis. With their unique beauty and easy care, succulents are sure to bring joy and tranquility to your home and garden. Choosing the right succulents is key to a thriving garden. For beginners, some varieties are easier to care for than others. Aloe vera is a popular choice, known for its medicinal properties. Jade plants are another great option. They symbolize good luck and are said to attract prosperity. Echeveria, with their rosette-shaped leaves, add a touch of elegance. These succulents are readily available and tolerate a wide range of conditions. Planting succulents is simple and rewarding. First, choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Use a well-draining soil mix specifically designed for succulents. Gently remove the succulent from its nursery pot. Loosen the roots slightly and place it in the new pot. Fill the pot with soil, leaving some space at the top. Water lightly and place the pot in a bright location. Section 4. Simple care for thriving succulents. Succulents are some of the most rewarding plants to grow thanks to their unique shapes and low-maintenance nature. However, to ensure they thrive, a few essential care tips should be followed. Succulents are low maintenance, but they need proper care to thrive. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of stress or pests. This helps in early detection and treatment, ensuring your succulents remain healthy. Water them thoroughly when the soil is dry to the touch. It's crucial to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. This mimics their natural desert environment and prevents overwatering. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Root rot is one of the most common issues with succulents, and it can be fatal if not addressed promptly. Most succulents prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can be too intense and may cause sunburn on the leaves, especially during the hottest part of the day. Protect them from harsh afternoon sun. Using a shade cloth or placing them in a shaded area can help prevent damage from excessive heat and light. Fertilize your succulents during the growing season, which is spring and summer, with a diluted fertilizer. This provides them with the necessary nutrients to grow strong and vibrant. With these simple tips, your succulents will flourish. Remember, the key to thriving succulents is understanding their natural habitat and mimicking those conditions as closely as possible. Happy gardening. Section 5. Enjoy your low-maintenance oasis. A succulent garden is a rewarding addition to any home. These plants are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly easy to care for. With their diverse shapes, colors, and textures, succulents can transform any outdoor space into a serene retreat. These resilient plants require minimal care, making them perfect for busy individuals. They thrive on neglect, needing only occasional watering and plenty of sunlight. This makes them ideal for those who may not have a lot of time to dedicate to gardening. Their unique beauty and ability to thrive in arid conditions make them a fascinating addition to any space. Succulents come in a wide variety of species, each with its own distinct appearance and growth habit, adding an element of intrigue to your garden. Whether you have a green thumb or not, succulents offer a low-maintenance way to enjoy the beauty of nature. They are perfect for patios, balconies, and even small urban gardens, providing a touch of greenery without the hassle. So why wait? Start your own succulent garden today and experience the joy of these fascinating plants. With just a little effort, you can create a beautiful low-maintenance oasis that will bring you peace and satisfaction for years to come.